Start with a solid foundation. Inspect your printer's frame, tighten any loose bolts, check the tension of your V-rollers, and lubricate moving parts. A sturdy frame promises smooth operation. Next on the agenda is bed leveling. The first layer of your print will thank you for a perfectly leveled bed. The paper method or the feeler gauge method will help you achieve a flat surface, the perfect base for your prints. Now, let's talk about extrusion. An extruder calibration test will ensure the right amount of filament is being fed into your printer. Material consistency is crucial for a perfect print. Flow rate optimization is a game changer. Adjust your slicer settings based on test prints to make sure each layer of your print is flawless. The right amount of filament can make or break your final piece. Temperature also plays a vital role in your print's quality. A temperature tower test will help you find the perfect temperature for your chosen filament. The right temperature ensures your print's integrity. Retraction settings are another key player in ensuring clean, sharp prints. Test and adjust to find the ideal retraction distance and speed to minimize stringing. Encounter a hiccup? Don't worry, from layer shifts to blobs, we've got troubleshooting tips to solve common problems. Your prints will come out perfect every time. And finally, consider strategic upgrades to your printer. Enhancements to reliability, filament feeding, and cooling can elevate your printing experience, leading to even better results. Remember, calibration is the key that unlocks the full potential of your 3D printer, transforming your creative ideas into precise, tangible creations. For more tips and upgrades, make sure to visit our website, www.devilndove.com. It's time to elevate your 3D printing game. Until next time, happy printing!